What's going on, everyone? cryptoFOXXY here. Thank you guys so much for stopping by the channel. In this video, we are going to talk about Virtuals protocol. And I'm going to tell you guys something. When I'm looking at picking a project to research and to look into, what I normally look for is how is it, how is the price action going? What is it doing? Is is it leading the market in terms of percentage up when things start to rebound? And Virtuals has been stealing the show, in my opinion. It's definitely been having some great momentum. We take a look here on the chart. It's up right now. It's up to $2.49 at this point. And let's see what the day is here. 18.1% over the past 24 hours. We take a look at the top 100. The biggest gainer today is Virtuals Protocol, and I've been seeing them top this list a number of different times. So what I'm looking at is, really good interest in this project. There's a number of really good things that they're doing, and I looked into their socials, their what the business does, that sort of thing, and just seeing it top the charts all the time, it really piqued my interest to look into it a little bit further. So I made a couple of purchases over the last few months. My latest was actually back just in April. So it was back, I have to look at the year chart here to be able to tell you guys, back April, I think it was 14th. Yeah, it was right in this dip, right in around here. So yeah, the 45-50 cent area, just to get my cost basis down. My first purchase was actually in this big dip here, which I thought it was going to be, we thought the market was going to continue to go up, right? So obviously I made my first purchase in there. It was a little bit too high, so got my average down quite significantly. But this cup and handle situation is playing out. This is a technical pattern that we see on a number of charts, and it's looking really, really good. So Virtuals Protocol token is now targeting around the $5 mark after breaking out from a 5-month technical pattern. I just showed you guys that cup and handle pattern. So it's broken through the key technical level, setting its sights on potential rally towards $5. Now it reclaimed the $2 psychological level. We're sitting at almost 250 right now after dipping briefly last week under that mark. Now this move analysts are seeing as the beginning of a larger breakout. Latest price action confirmed the end of a 5-month consolidation phase marked by this cup-like pattern that began forming after its January peak. I'm going to blow this up for you guys a little bit so that you can see it a little bit better there. So this is that cup and handle I showed you. It's a little hard to show the charts on CoinMarketCap because they get that little thing that follows you every time on your pointer. So this is it here. We've got that slope, that U-shaped recovery, and then we've got this this neckline that they call right here. So that's pretty much where we're at. Market sentiment around AI tokens is coming back. We have NVIDIA expecting to and anticipation around NVIDIA earnings report is quite high, and that's coming up here very soon. Virtuals Protocol price outlook. Now the price to daily active addresses, a divergence metric, has spiked nearly 400% in 1 week, highlighting a rise in user engagement and network activity. And this is usually a precursor to a greater move, right? Suggests that the current rally is being driven by organic growth rather than short-term speculation, that's what we want, right? We don't want the short-term speculation. We'd like to see continuous momentum and building rather than those sharp highs and lows that we see in some like meme coin type tokens, right? Now, Virtuals is gaining traction through newly announced partnerships. Top tier blockchain gaming studio has partnered with them, and the collaboration is embedded in virtual tokens in the upcoming play to earn and metaverse titles. And this is expanding the utility for Virtuals, right? And it's also jumping into a different space with a new segment of users in the gaming system, right? Gaming ecosystem. Now we're looking at the $2.81 resistance level as the next hurdle to get over. We're at about the 250 mark right now. If we can break above 281, could pave the way towards the 0.382 fib retracement level, and that would be at about $3.06. That would be a really nice move. The token could see its all-time high be revisited, which it last touched in January. Completing a full recovery and signaling a possible continuation in the long-term uptrend. If we can hit that, that'd be amazing to see this thing go into price discovery, because I think that this thing could be this could be a very, very explosive project in my opinion. And sitting at just $1.63 billion market cap, it could have a ton of room to grow in my opinion. So that's pretty much what I got for you guys in this video. Wanted to give you a quick update on what is going on there with Virtuals. Let's jump over. going to actually take a look at this. This is my trading indicator that runs on top of the TradingView platform. Now, this thing picks up when trends move, right? You get trend buys when the movement's going to go up, and you get your trend sell, basically letting you know when to buy and sell. If you are into trading, definitely check it out, cfalgo.com. I actually have a QR code here for you guys. I'll put that up on the screen. So up in the corner, on the right-hand corner there, if you want to scan that with your phone, it'll bring up my website, cfalgo.com, and you can get a $10 off coupon. Intro 10 is the coupon code. Use that at checkout, and it will get you some significant savings there. So it's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you guys can try it for the first 30 days. If you don't like it, just ask for your money back. No big deal. But I guarantee you will have some fun with this thing. It's been helping me, identify entry and exit points, as well as notifying me on my cell phone when we see these buy and sell signals on the chart. It will tell TradingView to let me know, and I don't have to sit here and stare at the charts all day. So that's what I got for you guys in this video. Thanks so much for tuning in. Really appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Peace.